Hey guys, welcome back to the Davis Ranch. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the KEURIG K Mini. We just picked this up at Target for $38, which is about half of its normal price. We got this one for our guests. We have a normal coffee maker, which I really like. But when we have guests, it's always hard to tell what kind of coffee they like. So this should accommodate them so that they can have whatever K-cup they choose. I drink way too much coffee for Keurig. I would need about 4 a day at least. So let's get this opened up. Like we've got our instructions and it's to be packaged really well. And there we have it. Fairly simple, just like it should be. This K-cup you can either do 6 ounces, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, and you just put in however much water you want it to fill up, which is kind of nice. Just fill up your coffee cup with water, dump it in, and hit the go button. All right, looking at the back side, there's a nice little storage spot for the power cable. I'm gonna get that pulled out here. And it looks like it has a hole that it goes in, but I'm not sure if you just, looks like you maybe just shove it back in there when you're done with it and then stuff the end up here. But anyway, it's kind of nice. It's like it's very compact. It says it's only 5 inches wide, so you can fit it between other countertop appliances, and it's very small so that it makes storage easy, which is perfect for us because we are really only going to use this for guests. Another cool feature is that you can slide this out here to accommodate travel size mugs. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature. All right, I got the power cord pulled out and it looks like it's just about 2 feet long. That should be good for most people. I read through the instructions and it did say to run water through it first before you use coffee. So a little bit above the max, but it should work. All right, close the lid, turn the power on, then we got to open and close this, and then it's ready to start. After you hit the button, it'll take in the water. It should take about 2 minutes to heat up. All right, that was closer to 1.5 minutes, so that's pretty good. So now that we've done our initial process with just passing water through, it's ready to brew a cup of coffee. So I'll go ahead and make a cup and see how the temperature is. Okay, I've got water back in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a pod or K-cup. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if the time to heat up is shorter because I just did the cup of hot water. Okay, I timed it and it was actually right at 1.5 minutes again. All right, there we go. With a nice hot cup of coffee. Go ahead and check the temperature. And I'm not sure how accurate this is, but on my TC meter, it's coming in 156 degrees or so. Seems a little bit low, but that might be accurate. Let's see. Give it the old taste test. Ooh. All right, well, it's definitely hot. It's too hot to drink right now. So for the money, I think it's a very good deal. We got it for $38. I think they're normally $79.99, something like that. But we couldn't pass on that deal. So for us, it's perfect for our guests to have a nice cup of whatever kind of coffee they want. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this review, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.